Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about sharing your Snapchat username, which is super easy. So here are a few ways to do it. Go ahead and open your Snapchat application. For that, log into your account and then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. And there you will see your snap code. The yellow ghost with the dots will appear. If you already have the avatar, it will come with the avatar. You can tap share snap code to send it via apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Viber and all. Now to copy and share the username, you need to tap on your profile icon like this, and then you need to tap on your username which is displayed in the top. Tap on the username or simply tell your username to your friends to add you. You can share the profile link. You can go ahead and open your profile and then tap on the share in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and copy link and then send it to your friends. So that's it for this video. This is how you can share Snapchat username. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.